It's the 10th day of Vlogmas, today's a special day, 'cause it is all about me. Yes kids, it's true what you heard. Today is all about me. It's my birthday, which means we're going to be very light on Christmas today. I'm not going to open advent calendars, I'm going to do that tomorrow. Today is going to be about my birthday. It's not easy being a December baby. There's a lot going on. There really is. You're always fighting. If you want to go out for a meal or something, it's always Christmas dinner on the menu. It's always turkey. I don't want that. Don't want that for my birthday. So today we're going to go on a little adventure, which you won't get to see until I've had a chance to edit it all together tomorrow, but you will get to see what we did on my birthday. What we are going to do is I'm going to show you the skincare stuff that I got that I completely failed to show in yesterday's video, even though I promised I'd do that. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to show you a birthday fail. Yes, that's true. We had a birthday fail. The hubby ordered something for me at my request. It was something I chose, and it's not worked out, and we'll go into that in a little bit more detail later. But for now, let's have a look at the skincare. Yes! So these are the things that I said slipped under the, code freeze radar, because I ran out of both of these things at exactly the same time. Eye cream and face cream. So what I've done is I've taken advantage of one of the Black Friday deals with John Lewis when they had, I think it was 20% off. I figured I use this stuff anyway. I'm not going to ask for it for birthday or Christmas. I just need to order it. This is something new to me. I will show you the eye cream that I have been using. Please excuse my nails, I haven't cleaned off the bits yet. But this is the eye cream I have been using. This is the Lancome Hydrozen U. And I like it, it's light, it's refreshing and everything. I hate the pump. You don't know when you're going to run out, you can't see. There isn't like a little thing on the outside that shows you when you're running down, so that really, really annoys me. Whoops. So my preference is always going to be to have a little tub of eye cream, and this one is the Renergy U Multi-Lift Extra. So, lifting filler eye cream. Oh, I hope this isn't going to be like a polyfiller situation, because you know I'm not a fan of that. But it is an eye cream and it is in a tub. And this is what it looks like. Oh, let's put a little dab on. Glasses off, eye cream on. Okay, that feels really super nice. I'm looking forward to that. Let's try and get a little close up. Oops, that's not what I want to touch. That is what the cream looks like. It is light and it is lovely. So that's a new addition, and we'll see if this is going to be my permanent fixture for my eye cream. And this set, what about this set? This has got the Hydrozen Anti-Stress Moisturising Cream, which I love. Oh, it's got Genifique U. It's got a little night cream. I am enjoying that. I've got one of those as well. And we've got the Genifique serum. Now I think I've said with that serum before, it felt nice, but it didn't really feel like it was doing anything. And obviously because it's coming up to Christmas, it's in this Christmas overly packaged gift box. But to be honest, with the discount and everything, this came to less than this Hydrozen cream on its own. So that's fallen out. There's a lot of packaging here. It does all seem to be cardboard, so that's better than it being plastic. So this will be oh my god, I can't get it out. Can't get it out. Wow, that was tough. Right, so this is me going back to the cream. Over the summer I've been using the cream gel. So this is me going back to the cream. Very excited to get back into it. And as I say, I've used this Genifique serum before and it feels really nice. I've got some of this night cream on the go, another tester, and some Genifique eye. So maybe I'll end up going for that in the future. Who knows? Options. We like options, kids. I think if you've got someone in your life who enjoys skincare, then this would be a really nice Christmas gift. And maybe it's recyclable. I don't think there's metallic stuff. I think this makes it not be recyclable, the cardboard, but certainly better than all the plastic. Got some packages over there. I'm not going to focus on them too much because I've got to send those off. So yeah, birthday, Christmas time. Where are all my December babies at? This is my birthday. Tinsel and Christmas. It's very hard to focus on one or the other when you're focusing on both. Outfit of the day currently is my dressing gown because I am so disorganised for today because of work and being sick and all of that good stuff that I haven't actually worked out what I'm going to wear. I still have no idea. So you will see today's outfit of the day tomorrow. I'm not even sure what bag to take, and normally it starts with the bag. I want something that's able to carry things, maybe a bit weatherproof. It's not supposed to rain today. I'm kind of tempted to take my McQueen that I took out to Dad's birthday, but I think it might be a bit too big. I'm very tempted to take my YSL out because it'll be her 2nd anniversary. We bought her on my birthday 2 years ago. Oh, you're not in the right place. Let's put you down there. As always, I'm tempted to use Miss Prada because showstopper, but I don't know if she's going to be large enough, and if it does rain, I don't really want to get caught in the rain. Oh, I don't know. I feel so massively unprepared. Try not to focus on the mess behind me over there. I'm going to show you my birthday fail. And the fail is on me. Or maybe the brand, I don't know. But hubby asked me what I would like for my birthday, and one of the things I told him I'd like for my birthday comes in this beautiful Versace box with this. Let's do it. Elastic bandy type thing. Okay, you may be able to tell from the box what it is, you may not, but I'm telling you now what it is going back. In the box we have beautiful, glorious Versace dust bag, little care cardy type things. Hoping I'm in focus. And let me put this down. Actually, I want to show you how it was. Actually, I want to show you how it was presented, because this is what it looked like when I opened it. It was presented like this, so you could see the side of the trainer and the bottom of the trainer with a little Medusa head in there. Yes, the search was still on for the perfect pair of designer trainers, sneakers, and when I saw these ones with this hot pink Versace graffiti, smiley face Medusa graffiti on it, I thought, well, those are a bit of me, aren't they? So it's got Versace on the back and this little black bit here. It's got the Greca print all over. On the inside, it says Versace on the inside, but it's slightly raised at the back as well. So you've got that lovely feeling, almost like a flat form. It's really, really fantastic. Now, hubby wasn't entirely keen on the hot pink and the lime green with the Medusa graffiti smiley face. But as he said, I would be the one wearing them. Now, the reason that these are going back is I followed all of the instructions and it said that these are true to size, so I ordered a 38. Alexa, cancel timer. Oh, look, even on the tongue you've got the little Medusa. Beautiful. So yes, these were a 38. It said, everywhere said to go for your usual size. My usual size is a 38, so I went for 38. And they're width-wise really, really good, actually. And that's always been my pinch point. But they're really, really long. So they're a little bit boaty. And when I was showing hubby trying them on, there was like my heel didn't stay in them at all. So we considered getting a smaller size, but there was a lot of faff involved with that. And these were on sale. I had actually been invited to the private sale, the 50% off private sale. I don't like to brag, but I've got the same client advisor as Cassie. And he messaged me and said, look, we've got this private sale going on. Do you want to have a look? So I had a look. A pair of boots that I was looking at weren't in the private sale, but these were, and I'd been looking at these anyway. So I thought I'd give them a go, and it turned out not to be the right option. So I don't know if I am ever going to find that pair of designer sneakers, designer trainers. Yeah, it's such a shame because I think they're really, really fab. I liked the oversized look of them. They reminded me a little bit of the Alexander McQueen oversized sneakers, which I love, but I just can't get a size to fit me. They're too small, too big. There's no Goldilocks in those sneakers. So I thought these might be an alternative. Hot pink and lime green. But it just wasn't to be. What I really need to do is spend a day trying on all the brands in the sneakers, all the luxuries, and working out what actually does work for me and not trying to do it via post, because that's just not working out. So that is a birthday fail. We are going to see what the birthday wins are and what I got for my birthday, but we're not going to do that right now because I've got an adventure to go on. Who knows where it's going to lead and what's going to happen, but you'll find out tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye.